Here we have a placeholder that we added so that we can type in some review for the movie that we select. Okay, and when we click on review, we're going to send it over to some server. Yes. All right. So let's move over to the server side so that we add a placeholder or maybe some table so that we can store this. Right. All right. So let's see what we got here. So let's move over to our Java side, right, and create a class where we can store a movie review, right? So this will be a new Java class, and we'll call it movie review. And the movie review, we'll need to store this somewhere, right? And we'll maybe keep track of what? Let's see. We can keep track of a unique identifier. This is the primary key that's going to be stored in the database. Maybe the title of the movie, maybe, which will be a string. And probably the only thing, we'll definitely need the actual review. Maybe the review has a title. I'm sorry, I already had the title. This is going to be the review title. The review title, right? So maybe just a single paragraph, single sentence. So the title of the review, and here's the actual review, right? What I think about that movie. And what else do we need? Probably we need the IMDb as well, right? IMDb, so that we can relate this review with the movie that we selected. Yes, so that if we ever go back to that movie, we would like to be able to display the review from folks who have reviewed this movie in the past. Yes, all right. So let's do that. We need to convert this into a table. So to do that, we're going to decorate this as an entity. We will give it the name of the table. The name of the table is going to be maybe just reviews. How's that? Just reviews. We'll initialize this ID to be the primary key, and we're going to delegate this to be an auto increment by the database. Right. So this will be identity. There we go. And finally, we'll need the code. We're going to get it to generate all the setters and getters for this, right? I'm lazy today, so I'm just going to go here and say code, generate, and we say setters and getters, and select all of them, and say OK. There we go. We selected it. If we restart the server, hopefully this will create the table for us in the schema that we have for this course. Let's see. Okay, there it is. Look, they created the reviews table. There it is. So that's positive. If we go to our MySQL and we refresh, we see that that the reviews table is there. Perfect, right? And it has the columns that we need. Excellent. All right. So let's now expose this data model so we can post new reviews from the client. Yes. So let's do that.